Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? My name is Boyani, and today we are going to learn the Ekegusii language. We are going to start with just two letters, and that is letter A and B, and eventually we are going to do the alphabet. Then we will learn a little by little the numbers and everything like that. So you're most welcome. Kindly follow me for more Ekegusii lessons. We actually need to do this because all cultures around the world, they preserve their cultures, and our culture is our heritage. You are most welcome. So our first letter for today is letter A. And A in Ekegusii sounds like the A in father. So it sounds like ah, ah. For example, we have words like amache, amache. That is water. Amache. Repeat after me. Amache, water. We have other words like avanto, avanto. That is people. Repeat after me. Avanto. And that means people. Another word. Amakara. Amakara. Amakara means charcoal. So that is letter A. A is for avanto. Avanto. A is for avanto. Avanto. Are we together now? Sing together with me. A is for avanto. Avanto. A is for avanto. Avanto. Good job. Did you get that? All right, great. The second letter we are going to learn today is letter B. Letter B. You see it there? Letter B. And I told you my name is Boyani. Actually, that is another example of the words that begin with letter B. Most of our Gusii names begin with letter B. We have Bosibori, we have Boyani, we have which other name begins? Which other name do you know? Do you know any name of from the Gusii community that begins with letter B? Bosire. We have Bosire. Yeah, so that is letter B. And in Ekegusii, letter B sounds, the sound is ba, ba, ba. Yeah? So, Bosibori, Boyani, Bosire. B is for Boyani. Boyani. B is for Boyani. Boyani. Sing with me. B is for Boyani. Boyani. B is for Boyani. Boyani. Good job. Which other words do you know that begin with letter B in Ekegusii language? Thank you so much, everyone. So today we learned two letters in the Gusii alphabet. That's letter A and Ba. Amache, Boyani. Thank you so much for joining me. Kindly follow for more. We shall do the next lesson with letter C and letter D. Kindly put in the comment what you have learned today and follow for more. Thank you. I am your teacher, Boyani.